Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The recovery officer thereafter passed an order allowing the application submitted by the respondent number 3 borrower by holding that the borrower had deposited the requisite amount for setting aside the sale under Rule 60 of the second schedule of the Income Tax Act stop. Accordingly, the sale of the properties in question came to be set aside stop. The recovery officer also directed the bank to hand over all the original documents pertaining to the immovable properties in question to the borrower immediately stop. In compliance of the order passed by the recovery officer, the bank handed back to the original borrowers the documents pertaining to the properties in question, and on release of the documents, the request of the bank to release the amount deposited was allowed by the recovery officer stop. Immediately itself, the borrowers respondent numbers 3 to 5 herein executed 2 sale deeds in favor of the appellant herein for a sale consideration stop. That after the sale deeds were executed in favor of the appellant, the auction purchasers respondent numbers 1 and 2 preferred an appeal bearing number 11 of 2007 before the DRT Ahmedabad. The same has been processed and set aside. The order passed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2 herein moved an application before the recovery officer for seeking a direction to the appellant to maintain status quo over the properties in question and to appoint the receiver to take possession of the same from the appellant stop. The said application stop. Further, respondent numbers 1 and 2 moved cross objections in appeal number 223 of 2007 aggrieved by certain observations in the order pertaining to the right of redemption of the mortgagors till the time conveyance is not executed in favor of the successful auction purchaser stop. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court, the subsequent purchaser respondent number 5 Messrs. R.S. Infra Transmission Limited has preferred the present appeal stop. Shri Guru Krishna Kumar, learned senior advocate, appearing on behalf of the appellant, subsequent purchaser, has vehemently submitted that in the present case, as such, the appellant can be said to be a bona fide purchaser who purchased the property in question on payment of full sale consideration stop. It is submitted that at the time when the appellant purchased the properties in question, the judgment debtor had already exercised the rights under Rule 60 of the second schedule stop.